We see the initial transfer. The robotic manipulators minimize stress as the specimens are moved for scanning and data verification. Humidity levels are stable at 90%.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Here we see the synchronized activation of the microfeeding system, deploying pre-measured portions to the mangrove snake cohort.
Look at the yellow pigment density on specimen 7. That's a significant deviation from the baseline.
Confirmed. We need to initiate stringent aesthetic grading immediately.
Analyzing. Model B-D21 standards. Status. Premium display market. Light protocol. Phase 3.
The specimens undergo rigorous movement analysis, utilizing thermal cameras and motion sensors.
The dual process commitment is logged. We are clear for the mangrove snake transfer.
Confirmed. Infrastructure is fully operational.
Humidity 75%, oxygen 21%. Calibration confirmed.
The energy expenditure is optimal.
Confirmed. They are meeting the B-D21 standards.
The specialized measurement system confirms the specimen has reached the required length. The digital display locks onto two.
Here in the live specimen depot, robotic automation precisely stacks the Model B-D.
Final quality control confirms the temperature regulation system and is fully operational. The heat signature is consistent with a healthy specimen.
The pressure is stabilizing right on target. Confirmed. The restructuring is complete.
Straps secured, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Manifest is accurate. Ready for transport.
Temperature stable, labels checked. Confirmed. Route cleared for global distribution. It drapes with incredible lightness and fluidity, perfect for high-end apparel research. And when stretched,
the applications for medical implants are vast, particularly with the new data.
Exactly. The keratin structure here shows remarkable stress sensors holding steady at maximum torque.
Fatigue resistance confirmed. The data looks excellent.
incredible. No residue at all. This confirms the anti-fouling potential of Process B.
The tensile strength data confirms it. The biopolymer consistently outperforms the synthetics in every metric. We are ready for mass production.
A pristine sample of the finalized biopolymer is archived, marking the official end of its manufacturing journey and ensuring future reference.
The parameters are set, Doctor. Ready to begin.
Looks good. Let's start the run.
The map clearly shows our specialized BioPer sheets are being distributed globally.
As we examine the high magnification images, the unique keratin structure reveals why this biopolymer is
The final inventory confirms the immense commercial success of the biopolymer sheets. The secondary production line